Your first ride, babe. You excited?
Yes. And scared shitless. Let me know if I'm squeezing you too hard, okay?
You're doing fine right now. In first gear.
Does it feel weird for you?
Oh yeah, it totally feels different for me. I'm used to being by myself. Hey, what's up, people? I'm over here just cruising around on Saturday, taking my wife for her first ride on the 636. And how you doing, babe?
I'm doing okay.
Are you nervous or anything?
A little.
Well, we're gonna take it easy today, so you don't have to get too nervous or scared. You could relax your legs a bit, babe.
I know I'm squeezing the shit out of you.
No, I don't want you to get tired. Because you're squeezing me right now.
I know!
You're gonna get off the bike and you're gonna fucking look like Chun-Li.
It's alright.
Just try and relax.
I'm trying.
Don't tense your body up all crazy.
I'm not.
This right here, hold on to me, these bumps.
My head's like on the side of your head right now.
No, you do whatever you feel is comfortable.
Oh, it's just, I want to see the road too.
Yeah, you don't want to see the back of my head the whole time. That's boring. I mean, I know I got that Ninja Nero logo back there and it looks dope.
Bumpy.
We're going 54 miles per hour right now.
Oh, cool.
How does it feel for you? Because I'm so used to it. Like, this is like whatever.
It's cool. It's a little freaky though. But I feel cool.
It does feel cool. It feels good right now as long as we're moving because it's hot.
It keeps headbutting you.
Yeah, you got to anticipate those shift changes.
Yeah.
So when I'm about to shift gears, I mean, your upper body kind of just have to maybe tighten your abs a tiny bit. Or I don't know. That way you don't headbutt me.
Yeah.
It doesn't hurt. I mean, we both have fucking helmets on, but...
Oh, you're gonna go between the cars.
Oh, you've never done that before.
No! Lane splitting. Whoa!
How does the exhaust feel? It's like right underneath your freaking butt.
It's vibrating my coochie.
Hang on, spider monkey.
You're a dork. That was funny though.
What the fuck is this?
I said, "What's up to the kid?" Did you see him smile? That was funny.
This stupid bitch fucking mom just kept going. She had a stop sign.
I know, that's why he smiled at me. I was like, "What the fuck, bitch? What the fuck, bitch?" Oh, babe, I was scared shitless, but this is so much fun.
I told you. But if you were to ride every day like me, you'd see that it's not scary at all. I mean, there are moments where it's really scary, and people cut you off and shit, but then you have moments like this too, where it's just really peaceful. Even though we're fucking going slow right now because these two assholes, but still.
Yeah, well, for being my first ride, I don't mind it.
Pretty nice. See right here, we could have just set up right here.
Whee! My helmet bumping your helmet real bad?
No, it's okay. Look at this view right here.
Wow.
Well guys, my prism died earlier, so I don't know how much battery I got left. Just figured I'd close it here and say thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and you too can have views like this. And most likely my wife will be motovlogging with me every now and then. So, see you later, you goddamn butches.
This is a fucking Yoshi though. Look at this bitch. Eggman.
Again.